So Corey from Car Chains 3D sent us this USB pass-through for the Fox body dash. It goes in the dimmer location and you can plug in up to 2 USBs to pass through. So let's get it installed.
I've been wanting this forever. I've been in the field with what me brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. Early feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra.
So this is gonna replace this. So let's get all this off and get it changed out. So we got the old dimmer out. Just got to pull a connection off right here. And then Corey's piece. Basically bolt right in stock of the stock dimmer. Let's get that bolted on. That's it. That is installed. Get rid of this thing. Put that in there. So now, instead of fumbling around on the floor for a USB, I can just come and sit in the car, take your USB, plug it right into the dash, and that's it. When you're done, unplug it. There's no more wires.